are holy, you are God. So we put our attention and our affection on you alone. Come on, right now, all over this place, there's just a fresh invitation to do something you've never done before in worship. Whether it's just to put your eyes on him in a fresh revelation, or put your hands up in fresh surrender. There's safety here to gaze on his beauty. Oh, just do that again. Oh, 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 sing that again. Join with heaven. 1,000 generations falling down in worship to sing the song of ages to the Lamb. And all who've gone before us, and all who will believe, we'll sing the song of ages to the Lamb. Your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all. All thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above them all. And the angels cry, holy, all creation cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. If you've been forgiven, if you've been redeemed, we'll sing the song forever to the Lamb. If you walk in freedom, if you walk in freedom, if you bear his name, then sing the song forever to the Lamb. Oh, we'll sing the song forever and amen. And the angels cry, holy, all creation cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. Come on, every voice. Hear your people sing, holy, to the King of Kings. Holy, you will always be. Holy, holy forever. Let's declare this together. Your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all. All thrones and dominions, all powers and position, your name stands above them all. Your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all. All thrones and dominions, be.